Traffic gets everybody angry. That is why it feels good when the lanes are open. It is annoying when your downloads are too slow, isn't it? This is much better. The same happens with your intestinal transit. Constipation can be annoying. You want to be free and allow everything to flow naturally, and that is why FuXion brings you the new PRUNEX1. A delicious fruity tea, easy to dissolve, with a delicious prune flavor that will help you relieve constipation in a healthy and gentle way without any discomfort, with a promptness and efficiency that you are looking for. Because the new PRUNEX1 is enriched with a mix of vegetable fibers such as psyllium and flax mucilage that acts as a softener and protects your delicate intestinal flora, prune and kelp extracts that have a laxative effect, and to complement all this, star anise extract and magnesium in an organic molecule form to enhance this formula and prevent any discomfort. All these are ingredients with proven effectiveness to promote a proper and healthy bowel cleansing. Every stick of PRUNEX1 has a high content of soluble fiber that, together with a low-fat diet, will help you reduce your cholesterol levels and promote the proper absorption of calcium. And because it belongs to our clean label line, the new PRUNEX1 contains 100% natural ingredients and a label that's easy to understand. Free your intestinal transit in a healthy way and feel great again with the new PRUNEX1 from FuXion.